Hi, so today on Lengro's Kitchen, I'm going to do my take on shepherd's pie. If you hear any noise in the background, that is just the dog, because I swear this dog can hear you cooking even if he was a mile away, just because he purely loves to come and get all the leftovers. Not that there's many in this house. But I have preheated my oven to 150. I've got my lovely mince here. Let's get cracking. Okay, now I don't like to cook with any oil or anything like that. I literally just do it with water. So I'm just going to put about half a cup of water in here, just so it can go nice and brown. And then a lovely oxo cube, because what's life without an oxo cube? Just going to brown that off, and at the same time I have got some onion. Got some sliced red onion. We always use a lot of onion in this house. And at the same time I'm going to pop in some mushrooms and a few peppers. And nobody in this house likes peppers, but the green peppers anyway, unless they taste of meat. What's the dog? Dog loves peppers, bizarrely. We'll give him some. See if he'll enjoy that. So I'm literally just going to brown this up now. It smells lovely. Not that you can smell it, but it does smell lovely. Just cook that up nicely. So we'll leave that for a few minutes, just so it can finish cooking on there, because it only takes about 10 minutes of white prep time. I've already chopped up all my peppers, and I've chopped up my mushrooms, and I already did the mash, just so literally it's be nice and easy, just putting it in the pan, so you can literally just have a good old look and be done with it. So literally this is just finishing cooking now. And normally when I do a pie, shepherd's pie, cottage pie, any kind of pie like that, I normally just use whatever veg that we have got left over in the house, so that needs using. You can literally do it with anything. I will serve this tonight with peas. My dad's Scotland loves Brussels, it'll have some Brussels as well. But apart from that, everything else will just go in the pan, like so. Okay, so all the mince is all cooked and it's all nice and brown now. That's fine with it there. And so all the mushrooms are getting cooked at the same time. The peppers are just steaming in there. See, lots of steam coming off the pan. Once all that is cooked, literally, I'm just going to chuck it, or pour it nice and freshly, in a lovely pie pan. Couple more minutes there. Normally if we've got longer time, as in I've not just come home from my lunch break, I will just let it steam and simmer away for a while and not top it off. But I said I've come back from my lunch break, so I haven't got time to do that. So the oven is getting all preheated nicely. Okay, and that's all the mince and everything cooked. So pop it straight in the pan. Nicely in there. Okay, hi everyone, I'm clearly back from work and changed, so I'm just going to have a look and see how the shepherd's pie doing. So hang on a second. Absolutely cooked to perfection. There we go. I hope you're having a good day. Don't forget to join us tomorrow on Lengro's Kitchen and Lengro Live. Have a good week.